Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the exact YouTube video you want to read. You should sign in if captions are tied to your account, then pause at a clear frame. Now click the gear icon on the player and choose subtitles/CC. This opens language options. If no subtitles appear, select Auto Translate or the original language. Once done, make sure playback speed is normal so text matches audio. You want readable timing before continuing. Turn on captions/CC and pick the best language option. You control what appears. If no manual captions exist, choose Auto Translate and then the target language. This uses auto-generated timing. Next, open the subtitles settings and adjust font size, color, and background opacity so text is legible against the video. Once done, test for syncing by playing a short section and slow playback to 0. 75x if lines rush by 2. To get the full text, click the three-dot menu under the video and choose Show Transcript. You can copy timestamps and text directly. If you prefer a file, use a reputable caption downloader or request the creator's SRT. If captions are inaccurate, try switching languages, enabling auto-translate or slowing speed. Poor auto captions often stem from noise or accents. Finally, contact the uploader to request a corrected transcript or upload your own SRT for best accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.